Hello friends, how are you? I hope you're all fine today. We will discuss about how to make money online 50 legit way. Before starting my video, first subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates through YouTube notifications. Let's start my video. The first time I realized that you would make money online was my senior year of college. I was scrolling through. I come across an article on how some women had made a full-time income working online while traveling the world. Like any free-spirited early 20 something, that was made my dream. So of course I thought, how can I make money online so I can travel whenever and where I want? I decided to do a little digging to see if there are many others out living the laptop lifestyle, working from anywhere with an internet connections and sales receptions. As it turns out, the thousands of not not millions of pupils make money online every day. Once I realized there are many legit ways to make money online, I decided to give it a try for myself. Since then, I have earned thousands per year while all working from the laptop, and it's not and difficult to get started as you may think. Easy way to make money online. Some methods of making money online pay higher rates than others. So choose the one that best suit for lifestyle. Here are some ideas and resources to get started learning how to make online for free. Participate in marketing and riches. Online surveys won't net you are a halfly income, but you can earn a few dollars here or there. Many service sites pay is in gift cards, but some likes branded surveys allow you to cash out your earning via PayPal or direct deposit. By consistently think surveys and earning points, you will become the branded elite members and qualify from additional bonus points and rewards. We edited dozens and the paid service sites, many of which are the scams per points to the represent of the legitimate and the entities. So be careful when handing out personal information to a brand of and haven't heard much about other type to rated service sites. Get cashback and rewards when you shop. Cashback apps and browsers extensions help you to save money everything from groceries to books. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and the press bell icon for more updates. Like, share, comment on my video.